are your assault weapon bans a thing of the past? And if you aren't watching, I should do the air quotes, assault weapon bans. Are they a thing of the past? You know, these assault weapon bans are little more than firearm bans. You know, when you talk about firearm bans, you know, the anti-gun side says, well, no, it's not a ban. You can still buy, you know, XYZ gun. Just because it is a ban of a subset of the total doesn't mean it's not a ban. And an assault weapon ban is still a gun ban. So are they a thing of the past? Is the Supreme Court going to come in and save us all? Well, there's a little bit of an update, and I don't want to mislead you. No one really knows exactly what's going on, but we know what hasn't happened. And what hasn't happened is the Snope versus Brown case, which is an assault weapons case that we want the Supreme Court to hear and then rule in our favor. It has not been rejected. We were wondering what happened. We were hoping this thing was going to get into in front of the Supreme Court for 2025. And it just kind of sat there. Well, there was a little bit of movement. They are going to have a conference on it, which basically means they're going to the Supreme Court justices and staff are going to actually revisit it and see if they want to put this, take the case and put it in front of the Supreme Court justices so that they'll have their day in court. But it's not going to happen in 2025, even if they right now or tomorrow, whatever, they say, hey, we want to take this case, we want to hear it. You know, it's not gonna, we're not going to get a decision in 2025. Best case scenario now is 2026. But people have been wondering, because folks have been talking about it, what's going on with that case? You know, are they going to hear it? Are they rejecting it? What's happening? Well, there was a little bit of movement. They did decide that, hey, we're going to evaluate this thing, but that doesn't mean they're going to hear it. It's just not out of the running. So that's good news. It's not great news. It's not exactly what we want to hear yet, but patience, and I think we're eventually going to win this thing. It's Snope versus Brown. So that's what's going on. So what's next? Well, just wait and see if the Supreme Court finally takes it, but just know that even if they take it, you're not going to get a decision before 2026. In fact, it would probably be June of 2026. But we'll have to wait and see. Anybody that tells you they know what's going on is not telling you the truth. Nobody knows, but it's looking good. It's looking better than it did. So that's awesome. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. I'm Michael from Gun Owners Radio. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and make a comment. Help us out. Go to gunownersradio.com. Thanks for watching.